Facility managers used to look for products. Now they look for help. Business technology is confusing, and where there's confusion, there are companies trying to take advantage of your confusion for their profit. So subscribe to Wired In now and join a community created to rally around you and help you manage your facilities and navigate the choppy waters of business technology. Where there's confusion, we'll create clarity by bringing you subject matter experts that respond directly to your questions and help you make clear, informed decisions that solve your facility challenges. So how can you get the most from the Wired In channel? Well, it only works when you're involved. So like, subscribe, share, and join the conversation, and together we can cut through the confusion and the noise. And together we'll discover new technologies and innovations that make a real difference in your facility, create measurable returns on investment, and set your facility on a firm foundation that's ready for the future.